Hey there, so in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can use Client Connect's mobile app. Using Client Connect's mobile app, you can now access all of your client portal information right from your cell phone. And that makes it super easy for you to easily view all of the requests made by accountant and even be able to respond it anytime, anywhere. At the same time, if you have any requests from your accountant, you can also create all of those requests right from your cell phone. So let's understand how that's gonna work. So as we click on it, the very first screen that you're gonna be seeing is your home screen. At the top, this is your company name, which is, let's just say, SRH Titans. Now, right next to that, there's a little drop down arrow. When you click on that, here, in case if you have multiple companies, then you can easily switch between the two companies or more companies. Along with that, you do see some more options like my account or change pin and themes. So again, just in case if you need to change any of these preferences, you can do it from here. Now coming back to the home screen, mainly you're going to be seeing all the requests from accountants, which are transactional questions and non-transactional questions. And in case if you have created any request for your accountant, that will show up as my request. And at the bottom, there is a note. So again, if your accountant has set any note for you, then it will show up here. All right. Now let's just understand how exactly you can actually respond to your accountant's request. So as we go inside the transactional questions, you will first of all see what is this transactions for. That is a question, and then underneath you have all the transactions where your accountant has requested feedback for. Now this is where you can see little brief about the transaction, the date, the amount, the kind of transaction, and the bank account from which or credit card account from which it was paid for. So let's just say if I wanted to respond to this this particular transaction, we click on it. So now I have the full details of that transaction. So it says what is this transactions for. I see it's Home Depot. So let's just say if this was for office supplies, I just click on it. I have all my account list. I would just type in office supplies, click on it. All right. At the same time, if there are any more fields to be answered, like class or location, you can even do that, class or location. And as you are done with it, you're gonna hit the submit button on the top right. Now, just in case, if along with this transaction, if you have a receipt that you wanted to upload it to, you just click on attachment, and you can also upload any receipt along with submitting the feedback. In case if you wanted to leave a comment for your accountant, you can also do so by clicking on write a comment. In case if you do not have enough time to write long paragraph, you can also leave a voice note and you can also submit it. Right. So let's just say we did all of it, and then you just click on submit. Once you click on submit, that particular transaction will then be hidden from the list. So just like that, you will scroll through, you will see list of all of your questions, and then you will be able to respond to your accountant by following this process. Now, just in case, if you wanted to see what exactly you have responded, you just click on this filter icon, and then you click on responded. So now you will see all the transactions that you have responded to, and you can at least see what was responded, and you can basically look at the log. So this is how you should be able to respond to the transactional questions. Now let's just understand about the non-transactional questions. So as you click on it, you will see all the requests created by accountant. So one by one. So in the first question, you can see that your accountant has requested some statements. So you click on it. In this case, if there is something that you have to type in, you type in. In case if you wanted to attach something, then you just click on this attachment icon, and then you just submit it, right? So this is how easy it is to respond to the non-transactional questions. Now, just like transactional questions, in case if you wanted to see the questions that are already responded, you simply click on this filter icon, you click on responded, and you can now see all the questions that are responded by you. All right. Now as we go back, let's just understand the my request part. So in case if you have a request for your accountant, let's just say you wanted to get a report from your accountant, there is a plus icon at the bottom. So when you click on it, here you can type in that, hey, I need this profit and loss report. You click on ask, and this question or this request will then show up under my request. Now as your accountant respond to any of your request, it will show up as responded. So you look at the response, and then if you, let's just say, got the required response from your accountant, then you just simply click on resolve, and that question will then disappear from your my request list. Again, if you need to see that request back, simply click on filter icon, and then you just click on resolve, and you will be able to see the resolve questions here. So that's a quick tour of how you can use Client Connect's mobile app. As we add more features, we'll be releasing some more videos around that. But for now, I really hope that you actually find this video very, very helpful. Thank you.